Hi, I'm Cam. I'm one of the directors at EV Installations, and we specialise in retrofitting existing apartment buildings with EV infrastructure. We're one of the leaders in the industry, and we've completed some of the largest projects in Australia. So we work with stratas to ensure that whatever infrastructure is being installed is scalable and it will give access to charging in every single car space. Sometimes that means starting with a visitor charger and meeting them where they're at, and then also installing the infrastructure that will support charging in every resident's car space as they expand and more electric vehicles make their way into the building. We've partnered with Australian suppliers for the charging stations as well as the load management and billing software. They are a premium product being from Australia, and we're also supporting Australian businesses by doing so. Safety and compliance is a major concern for strata managers, so it is our #1 priority at EV Installations. We deliver on this by having expert electricians who are very experienced in this type of work that are licensed. We also align ourselves with all the Australian standards, and we also assist with the incumbent fire contractor in these buildings to ensure that the fire standards are met also. At the end of the job, we always complete thorough testing and commissioning to ensure that everything is safe and compliant and up to standard. A recent success story was a project that we completed in Pyrmont, which was a luxury apartment building with 100 apartments, and we had to complete the backbone infrastructure in order to provide charging to 100 car spaces. On top of that, we had 15 residents engaged in installing chargers in their car spaces, so we had to install those chargers, show them how to use it, and integrate it with the existing system. We've received great feedback, and it's one of the best projects that we've completed. It's now mandatory for new buildings to install EV infrastructure. So if you're not thinking about EV infrastructure in your building, you're being left behind. So get ahead of it now and speak to experts, and we'll help you with a full turnkey solution.